There are many new cryptocurrencies, and when they appear on one of the exchanges such as Binance, Gateio, MEXC, Binget, and others, the price of these coins and tokens increases in the first few minutes from 100 to 20,000%. The other day, we had the meme coin of 9GAG's meme page on Binance, which in the first few minutes grew by several thousand%. Next, here are some new tokens on the MEXC exchange, where 2 to 3 new tokens are released every single day, which also increase by several hundred% in the first few minutes. It is similar with Gateio exchange, where we also have several new tokens every day. And these are mostly meme tokens, but because of the millions of users of these exchanges, you can make good money out of them. In this video, I will show you how you can find new projects and buy them before they come out on one of the CEX exchanges, as well as the method we use to profit from it. Watch the video until the end, subscribe to our channel for new videos, and find out what is it about. To start this video, I will make a digression in order to clarify the most important things for our followers who are not familiar with how crypto projects work. First, why does the owner of one project want his token to be listed on one of the exchanges? The listing of coins and tokens on an exchange refers to the process of including tokens in the list of exchangeable assets on an exchange, such as, for example, Binance, the most famous exchange. Once a token is listed on an exchange, users can buy, sell, and trade that token on the platform. Listing token on an exchange offers several advantages. First one is liquidity. Exchanges usually have a large number of active traders. For example, Binance has over 130 million users, and therefore a large volume of trading that can increase the liquidity of one token. This means that there will be more buyers and sellers that will facilitate the process of buying and selling tokens. Second one is accessibility. Listing on a popular exchanges provides broad access to your token for traders and investors. This can attract even more attention to your project and increase its visibility in the cryptocurrency community, and therefore the possibility that the price of the project will increase due to the greater interest. Then we have trust and verification. Listing on regulated exchanges can help establishing trust within the crypto community. Exchanges often conduct due diligence on projects before listing them, including security audits, the project team verification, which can increase confidence in your token. And there are many other benefits, but it is very important to know the difference between CEX and DEX exchanges, which is centralized and decentralized. If you're not Vitalik Buterin, Charles Hoskinson, or some other famous name in crypto community, it will be very difficult to list your project on CEX exchange. That's why most projects are first listed on DEX exchange, and once your project gets some trading, trust, holders, community, there is a possibility to be listed on Binance, Gateio, Coinbase, and other exchanges with several million users. The main difference is that DEX work via smart contracts and blockchain, eliminating the need for middlemen and the need to trust third parties. This creates a more transparent and secure trading environment for token, control of own funds, and users have full control over their funds and private keys as transactions are conducted directly on their wallets. The most famous DEX exchanges are PancakeSwap, Uniswap, 1inch, Curve, and others, while the most famous CEX exchanges are probably more familiar to you: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Gateio, and others. Another thing that I would like to delineate are three terms: ICO, IDO, and IEO. The main ICO, initial coin offering, can be classified in two main parts. These two parts are the public presale and the IEO. The public presale seeks to raise a huge amount of money. It's what crypto developers depend on to build a product on set roadmap for the future of the project. Usually the public pre-sale is available to everyone on the project website and users can easily buy their tokens from there. This is what many investors invest in and something that we do a lot during bear markets. IEO, short for Initial Exchange Offering, is initial sale at one of the exchanges. Although the IEO is not part of the pre-sale, it is still a relatively early opportunity and can offer investors a substantial amount of profit. An IEO usually takes place after the official launch of the token and means that the token will be listed on its first primary centralized exchange. Although this happens after the launch has already happened, the huge volatility offers an opportunity for crypto investors to make quick money. In general, new crypto tokens are likely to be available for pre-sale prior to their launch and listing on exchanges. These sales can be posted on news sites, social media, or any site that tracks new cryptocurrency projects. Before being listed on the centralized exchange, CEX, new tokens are most often first distributed through initial DEX offers, IDO, which means that they can be purchased on one of the DEX exchanges. Now that we finally understand how the whole process works, we can talk about the methods of how you can buy some of the tokens on the DEX exchange and sell it a few days later on the CEX exchange for a big profit. The first thing is to have an account on one of the CEX exchanges: Binance, Gateio, MEXC, and others. In the description of this video, you have links to these exchanges. At each of these exchanges, you have the option New Listing or New or Newest, which indicates the new token listings. We can also find when it will be possible to trade these tokens, and if we click, we can find more information. As you could see here, we have AISC token that we are going to be able to trade in 3 days, 15 hours, 12 minutes and 9 seconds on Gateio exchange. So how do we find this token to buy before it starts trading on Gateio? Besides many websites and scanners where you can find new tokens that we talk about in our Crypto Master class, you can just go on Google and you can type in AISC USDT, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or just AISC, and you will find more information about this token. For example, we are going to go on CoinMarketCap. Here you can see and find many information about this project, such as price, which blockchain this project is built on, where you can buy. As you can see, it is built on BNB Smart Chain, and you can buy it on PancakeSwap. And the most important information for us is to find this project. We need to find out what is the contract address that we can put on PancakeSwap, and on that way we can find and buy this project. If we go a little down, we can see the exact address. We can copy and paste to PancakeSwap or some of the scanners to check about this coin, if it is a scam, honeypot, pull rug, or some of the other things that scammers today are using to scam us. Once we have an address, we can go to PancakeSwap. We should have some BNB in order to buy this token. We're gonna put BNB and how much we're gonna spend, and we will see how much of this token we will get. As you could see in this video, we bought a little of this token. Here you can see the transaction. What we like about BNB Smart Chain is that commissions are very low, usually up to $1 compared to Ethereum Smart Chain, and you can see that we paid $100 of worth of this coin. How powerful this method is tells that this token in less than 2 days pumped more than 1800%. Right now we can sell this coin for $18,000, or we can just wait and send it to the exchange to sell it in the first few minutes for even a bigger price. That is the method in a nutshell which you can use to profit with new coins. Of course, there is always a risk, and not all new tokens will pump after appearing on one of the exchanges. Some will be delisted, some will fall, and some of them will raise just for a few percent. That's why we have prepared a webinar for our Crypto Masterclass students, where we will show you step by step how to find these projects in addition to exchanges and few days before, what criteria we use to select only the best tokens with the lowest risk and highest potential, how to create a MetaMask wallet, how to buy, sell and send tokens from DEX exchange to CEX exchange, how to avoid mistakes that can cost us several hundred of dollars, and much more. Since it's a holiday time, we have prepared a special offer for you with a discount for the first 5 new students before we raise the price of the course. Anyway, thank you for your time. I hope that this information helped you to learn something new today and open up new views when it comes to making money from cryptocurrencies. Follow our channel for more, and we will continue to share with you new useful information in the next videos.